Hi, this is stand desk converted desktop. So this is primarily used. We call it desk converter because it basically converts the existing conventional desk, which is a sitting desk, into a standing and working option. So this has a lever. With that lever, you can move it up and down from the lowest height, and it can go to from the lowest height, which is at the lowest height it says 110 millimeter. From there it goes to 505 millimeter from the floor. So that becomes something around close to 40 centimeter adjustment range, and it can take 15 kg weight lifting capacity. It can easily accommodate two monitors. The size is 950 millimeter one side and 400 millimeter other side. And this is the keyboard tray option. You can put your keyboard here. This can take 2 kg. The keyboard weight can be 2 kg. And this is the gas spring. Wherever you want to stop it, you can just stop that. It can stay in the same position. So we provide 3-year warranty for the gas spring. Very sturdy in terms of the product. So you can use it if you don't want to change your complete desk, but then you wanted to use it with your existing desk option itself, but then you want to stand and work, you can go for that.